Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. The theme for this week's stamping collab was chosen by Frances from LaShenny21Nails. It's a little bit different because she did a secret mani swap. We had the chance to recreate someone else's manicure. I got paired with Pattie from Pattie's Polish Corner, and this is the manicure I chose. Isn't it beautiful? As always, I'll have links to everybody's videos in the description box of mine. As a base, I chose this beautiful blue polish from Hansen called Blew My Mind. It's not as dark as the one Pattie used, but I really like the sheen it has. I'll also use the Hansen matte top coat to make my manicure matte, just like hers. I don't have the exact place she used, but I'll be using the image from this JQL18, this image up here. I pick up the image with a white polish and stamp it on my nails. To help with the cleanup, I use a piece of tape. I apply the matte top coat over the two blue nails. But before applying it over the stamped nails, I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat to make sure that the image does not smear. Once the matte top coat dries, here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!